Let us welcome our dazzling Lady of the Day, Miss Yumi Salvador. Let us give her a round of applause.
Walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? Cause boy, it feels so good.
A round of applause to family Salvador. Together with Kuya Yuan, Kuya CJ, Mami Cristel, and Daddy Adi.
Dear Lord, on this special day, I pray for blessings, love, and happiness for Yumi. May her life be a testimony of your grace, and may she always walk in your favor. Amen.
Before we proceed to the main part of the occasion, may I call on the father of our celebrant, Honorable Adi Salvador, to welcome us all today.
Sige po, pasok pa po kayo ron, tay.
Good afternoon man po kay Katamungan. Pasaya ko po at mitagon ko kay 7th birthday ng kanakong bunso. At pasalamatan kay po kay Katamong ginuling nandin mumuran. Pegbigyan na Katamo po. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo. Enjoy kayo mo po kayo ni pong okasyon ng kanakong anak.
Si Russell po ay kanyang pinsan. Next we have Mr. Ronald Alan Salvador. Mr. Ronald Alan is her uncle. Kapatid po siya ni Honorable Adi Salvador. Next on the list, Mr. Ace Carson Ramos. Next we have Mr. Rogelio Salvador Sr. Si Dad. Palakpakan naman natin si Dad. Dad, ikaw mo siya. Galaw, galaw. Thank you so much. Next, Mr. Yuan Salvador.
Marami pong salamat sa binigay na biyaya ng ating Panginoon sa akin na po.
Thank you, Dad. Kuya Yuan is the second child of Mr. and Mrs. Honorable Adisa. Next, thank you so much, Kuya. Next, the eldest son, Yerumi Salvador. The eldest son of Honorable Adi and Cristel Salvador. Mawawala ba ang kanyang minamahal na father? Palakpakan po natin ang pinagmamalaki ng Barangay Concepcion, our Honorable Adi Salvador. participants sa ating 7 tulips, pwede pong bumalik sila dito sa ating floor for the photo opportunity. Mr. Ace Russell, Mr. Ronald, Mr. Ace Carson, Dad, Juan, CJ, a round of applause to Miss Yumi Salvador.
You got my heart and you had it the first day we met. One look at you and I knew this as good as it gets, yeah. I look in your eyes and I'm watching the sunset. I need this forever, baby, I need this forever. There ain't nothing in this world, nothing in this world like a feeling.
We will, wishers would give, will symbolize any bad or undesirable attitude that we do not want to the celebrant to carry on her life. Again, as I call on the name of the 7 balloons, I want you to come over beside Yumi carrying the balloon and have a short message to her. Go Bem Bem! Go Inaanak! Friend, Mike! Ako po kayo daw. Bakit kayo magsalita yung inaanak?
Happy birthday, Ging! Sana hindi ka na magkasakit. Sana mawala na yung mamawaga ng tonsil mo. Tapon mo na. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Ay, palakpakan po natin si Bem Bem. Thank you, Bem Bem. Nagsasalita na pala yung inaanak ko. Thank you, Lord. Next. Inaanak ko na naman ni Diyos niyo. Peter Jan Maglangke. Magsalita rin.
Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo mabuti ka sa
Thank you so much, but sweet. Next, we have Mr. Jet Grayson Manuel. Sa atin to, nasan ka? Jet Grayson. Next we have Kenzo Noah Simbulan. Next we have Roy Austin Salvador. Go Austin.
Above.
Wait ka lang, Sir Gabo! Wait ka lang, Sir Ta!
Thank you so much, Austin. Next, Lucas Almario.
Happy birthday, Ate Lily.
Love you. Love you.
Love you.
Thank you so much, Lucas. Next, we have Matthew Jose Antonio.
Ay, kapatid.
Go, Matt.
Matt, sit down. Sit down, Matt. Makupo ka na. Sama ka na, Mami. Sama ka na. Upo ka din, Mami.
Yumi, happy birthday. Sobrang ng bata. And just enjoy your special day. Tsaka magpapakabait ka sa mami at papa mo. Yun lang. Have a great day.
Hoy, galing magsalita ni Matt. Ang sweet naman ni Matt. Thank you, Matt. Next, ang artistahin ng looban, Mr. David Paul Manico.
Birthday. Sana po. Ayos mo po birthday mo. I love you.
Galing naman ni David. Next we have Mr. John Terdy Yambao.
Happy birthday po.
Thank you, Terdy. Lahat po ng participants natin sa 7 balloons. Photo opportunity po tayo. Balik po tayo sa stage. Steven, Peter Jan, Austin, Matthew, David, Lucas.
Closer, closer. Closer, kids, closer. Walkie, walkie, walkie. Walkie, guys, walkie.
These 7 friends of Yumi will offer 7 lollipops as a sign of their sweetness until they grow up. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our 7 lollipops. To start off with Ethan Jane Bacani. Ninya Parpan. Picture. Wala nang wish. Next, Lisa Parpan.
Sit down, baby, sit down. Look at the camera. Look there. Look there. Focus, focus. Closer, closer pa.
Closer. Next, Mary Maxine Caparas. Lapit ka, lapit. Next, Isabela de la Cruz.
Ate Gingging, happy birthday, I love you.
Ay, sweet naman. Thank you so much, Bella. Next, Benice Aria Simbulan. Next on the list, Zoe Natalie Torres. Boom boom. Zoe Natalie Torres. Pag-swimming na yata yung boom boom ah.
Sir, gawin po, sir. Sir, gawin po. Gawin po, sir.
Happy birthday, Ate Gingging, I love you.
Wow, short but sweet. Thank you, boom boom. Lahat po ng ating participants.
Puro ulo. Ayan, sige. Picture ka ulit. Bakit lang? Bawang.
Yan. And now for our third and last set. Let us all welcome our celebrant, Miss Yumi Salvador, with a blue gown. Smile! Sa ating mga bagong dating na bisita, tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. Starting off with Sophia May Yambao. Tita Telma, nasan yung cupcakes? Gupitan mo na yan.
Ma, tawag ka, Mami. Mama.
Asan?
Mama, tawag ka, Mama.
Ay, G later. Later, baby. G later, oh, later. Later, no. Next ka na. Okay, Sophia. Sarap.
Bigay mo kay sa akin.
Picture. Message.
Happy birthday.
Go, Sophie.
Happy birthday, Ate King King.
I love you.
I love you. Oh, we got matching.
Oh, picture.
Okay, closer.
Thank you so much. Next, we have Miss Mariel Yambao. May Android na. Next on the list, Krisa Joy Mendoza.
Tapos, message na, message.
Happy birthday, Yumi.
I love you.
I love you. Chuchu.
Picture. Next, we have Ailey Veronica Salvador.
Look here, look here. Hear me, hear me.
birthday, Ate Yumi.
Wow, short but sweet. Thank you, Hailey. Next, Mary Celestine Salas. Go, Gigi. Come here.
Kita ako sa camera. Buti ka kinausap pa ng konti kanina. Sobrang wala ka na yung may isip naman ako eh.
Alex ka na, baby.
Go there, sit down, sit down. Sit down, baby, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Okay, look here. Gigi? Oh, Gigi.
Smile.
Yeah, Ate Yumi. Love you.
Oh, thank you. Bigay mo yung gift mo.
Love you.
Next on the list, we have Angel Gira Rica Pranca. Next, Jade De La Cruz. Wala na rin eh. Lahat po ng ating participants, si Sofia, si Kriza, si Ailey, and Mary Celestine. Balik po tayo for the photo opportunity with Ate Yumi. Seven gifts. Wala yata yung mic.
Atay. Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yumi. I love you.
Thank you, Chloe. Next, Janela Aventijado. Next is Christoph Salas.
Jimmy, are you happy? We will open that later, ha? Pogi naman yung topic. Sit first, bro. Christoph, sit down. Christoph, sit down. A picture. Look at the camera and smile. Look at Kuya Cody. A message.
Happy birthday, Ate Yumi.
Love you.
I love you.
Mama.
Thank you, Christoph. Next we have Maria Regina Joyce Salvador. Maria Reina Joyce Salvador. Maria Reina Joyce Salvador, Chuya. Mama na nakuya. Next. Kiel Ains Yambao. Nasaan po si Kiel, Mami?
Yun nga lang, wala kang friend. Easy.
Where's Kiel? Pag di mo nahanap yung anak mo, ikaw ang tatawagin ko. Kiel! Next is Abrihana Therese Baluyot.
Happy birthday, Yumi. Pinapasabi ni Hana. Sana lagi kang malusog at masaya at laging maganda.
Thank you, Hana. Lumaki yung boses natin, Hana. Next, Severina Violet Sunga, proxied by Lola, or should I say Tita na lang? Tita Christy. Tita Hi Guys, the vlogger of Sunga family.
Hello guys!
Hi guys!
Happy birthday guys! I wish you a good health and always be a good girl, okay? Love you! Yun lang.
Thank you so much po. Next, Kiel Ayens Chambao.
Anybody inside sipping on a good time, you ain't got a risk, they can put it on me. When they wanna go, they know I'm
Mag-prepare na po ang ating 7 bills. Sir, next on the list.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Ayens. Balik ka na dyan. Lahat po ng ating participants sa ating 7 gifts, maaari lamang pong bumalik for the photo opportunity.
Siguro may ibig na yan. Going to the song, I don't gotta say no, I can blow a check, tell me what it's gonna be when they wanna go. They know I'm
Thank you so much.
Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I see you holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Victims of the night, the chemical
Dito muna sa pogi. Ako pala.
Teacher yan.
Happy birthday, may inaanak, Yumi. So, may wish for you, syempre, yung good health. Lalong-lalo na galing sa sakit si Yumi. And be happy. Mag-aral na mabuti, no? Nakakaintindi siya na gano'n. Then, always follow your parents' advice. No? Happy birthday again, Yumi.
Okay na lang daw. Okay na. Thank you so much, Ninang Janice. Next on the list, we have Lola, or should I say Tita na lang? Tita Angela Sunga. Hindi mo naman pwede tawagin Lola eh. Diyos ko. Napaka-angel ng ano niya? Ng fest.
Happy birthday, Yumi. May the angel continue guiding you. May you have fun and may all wishes you come true. Today turn 7 years and always good health and be good girl. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Smile ka naman. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much po sa napakagandang dilag. Next, we have Mr. Aljon Steven Salvador, to be proxied by Abby Salvador. Ganda ng arrival mo ah.
Masasabi ko lang ano, happy birthday. Magpakabuti ka lang anak. Yun lang.
Ano? Tangas? Tangas?
Thank you so much po. And now for our last part.
I wish that as you grow older, you will stay genuine and sweet to other people. I love you.
Thank you. Next, Amy Hart Malyari. And buti po nag-stay si Amy. Thank you so much for staying with us.
Happy birthday, Yumi. Stay pretty and happy. At sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. God bless you.
Wow, nice message. Next on the list, Denise Franco.
Happy birthday, Gingging. Stay pretty and safe. Paggalingan mo ang pag-aaral.
Napicturan mo ba?
Thank you so much, Ate Denise. Next, Maui Simbulan.
Happy birthday, Mick. Ay, happy birthday, Ging. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at mag-aral kang mabuti. Happy birthday.
Wow. Thank you.
Tsaka pa na. Hindi naman sa amin niya. I-consider naman pala yan. Wala man na reaction. I-consider yan. Hindi masakit.
Next, Telma Santiago.
Sit down, sit down. Matigil mo na. Sabi ako kaya. Sabi na kaya. Sige na, kababangan na.
So hindi na.
Kung isa yung video, hindi bahala ka. Hanapin mo sa sarili mo.
Hi, baby girl. Happy birthday.
Mga Marites.
I love you. Always Marites, Tita Meng, ha?
Thank you so much, Tita Meng. Next on the list, Ninang JB Cibulo Esguera. Hindi ngayon mo talaga makikita yung tunay mong ninang. One of the anak of Arizona's Resort. Bata nga kilala ng inanak mo.
Ako na sindan.
Alip ko tata kaya.
Sabihan ko. Upo ka na muna. Hinga ka muna, hinga. Upo ka na, upo ka sa tabi niya. Upo. Yan. Tingin ka muna sa bogi. Tingin ka muna sa bogi. Tingin ka muna ka.
Hi, Yumi. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lumaki kang mabait na bata. Huwag mong kakalimutan lagi magdasal sa Panginoon. At mag-aral ka na mabuti para lahat ng pangarap mo matupad para maging proud sa mga magulang. Thank you.
Hindi mo pa alam sasabihin mo, na?
Yumi, yan pala yung ninang mo, no? To complete the list, syempre, mawawala ba ang kanyang butihing ina? Mami Cristel Salvador.
Happy birthday, Bunso! My pretty Mamonchi! Sana happy ka ngayong birthday mo. Sana wag kang magkasakit, mag-aral kang mabuti, lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Andito lang kami ni Daddy tsaka nila Kuya para sa'yo. We love you so much, anak. Happy birthday!
Ang laging nakikita, miss na kita.
Group picture mo na.
Group picture.
Walang kami ang di pa pwede ikamuna aking napapamna. Nahilig ka ang aking mata sa tuwing mundo'y
Pa-blow yung candle.
aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipigil ang iyong mata na pahinga muna. Ako nang bahala, bis pa sa labis ng iyong nagawa, Papa. Pahinga muna.
Yumi. Palakpakan naman dyan sa mga natitira nating mga bisita. And now, to blow the candle, nasan yung mga family mo? Parents, Daddy and Kuya Yuan and Kuya CJ. Kuya CJ, Kuya Yuan, si Daddy.
Birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Yumi!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you for coming to my birthday and thank you for the gifts and money.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. And Kuya too.
Oh.
Final message.
Final message to the parents.
Thank you so much po sa lahat ng pumunta sa birthday ng anak ko. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. God bless everyone.
Takal pong takal, salamat ka rin pong tinagon kayong birthday. Hopefully po, tinapsi kayo. At mag-enjoy kayo ng celebration na po ng 7th birthday ng anak ko. Thank you po. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Yumi. Magpakabait ka. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral at maging successful ka.
Happy birthday.
Do you remember 21st night of September? Love was changing the minds of pretenders while chasing the clouds away.
Our hearts were ringing in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how the stars stole the night away. to